Hello, my friends. Hello there. Hoping everyone is doing spectacular. So I have some really good cracks for you. I know it's been a while. I am so sorry. Had some craziness going on in my life, but I'm back here for the cracks just for you. All right. So I'm going to come on in. You know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do those tips. Let's get them out. Triple in the thumb. Double in the thumb. Go like this. Get the wrists out. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, let's get that neck. Oh, quick, crunchy good. Amazing, amazing. Felt so good. I know you heard it. I know you heard it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you all with me for some awesome back cracks. So bear with me, bear with me. Here we go, here we go. I'm going to set you up right there. Ta-da. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. It's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. I promise. I promise. All right, here we go. So I'm going to get them down. Now, best thing to do is grab that hip, okay, and twist. Oh, I hope you heard that. It was so good. Flip it, grab the hip, twist, and I get all in here, all those deep cracks. Now, of course, I'm going to do my feet for you. Oh, a lot in the thumb. Let's get the other side. Oh, got some really good cracks there, my friends. Hold on. I'm not done. I'm not done yet. Hold on. Let's get the shoes back on, and I'm going to bring you back up here with me. So, I've gotten all sorts of requests. I know that. Flexing. Now, I'm an MMA trainer, so I always try to keep the biceps on point, okay? I'm also a figure skater, so I like to keep everything toned and good. Listen, we have one life, one body. We gotta rock it, right? All right, my friends. Till next time, Morgan Beam Cracks.